In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete accountant from Zoho Bookstore. If you're removing access for an external accountant or a team member who no longer needs entry to your financials, this quick walkthrough will guide you safely through the process. Before we begin, make sure you have the right permissions in your organization, typically an admin role, because only authorized users can manage user access. Start from your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see your financial overview. From here, look for the settings icon. Depending on your layout or screen size, it may appear as a small gear. Go ahead and click it to open the settings area, which is where all user management lives. Inside settings, choose users. This section lists everyone who has access to your organization, along with their roles and status. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, and double-check that you're working with the right user. Mistakes here can interrupt someone's access to your books, so it pays to be certain. Find the accountant you want to remove. You'll typically see their name alongside their role, which should display as accountant. Click on that user to open their details or highlight their row, depending on your interface. If your list is long, you can use the search or sort features to make it quicker to locate them, but the key is to get to the specific accountant's entry you want to delete. Next, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu, next to that user. Click it, and then choose Delete from the drop-down options. Zoho often adds this extra step to help prevent accidental removals. When you select Delete, you may see a warning about what this action means. Read it carefully and proceed if you're certain. Deleting a user removes their ability to sign in and work in your books, but it doesn't erase your accounting data or the history of what they've done. Past transactions and audit logs remain intact, which is important for compliance and record keeping. A few quick tips as you finish up. Make sure any tasks or responsibilities the accountant was handling are reassigned before you remove them, so nothing gets stuck. If you only want to pause access temporarily, consider whether deactivating or changing their role might be more appropriate in your situation. And after deleting, refresh the users page to confirm the accountant no longer appears. That's all there is to it. You've now removed an accountant from your Zoho Books organization cleanly and securely.